kanisa ntibikazabiwe akakabi kabuye giwe yaragi kabuye wa wundi wa Yesu hasigaye gusindaga agaciro za kabuye nizo twatugenda tuguma gukongura ariko kabuye nyirizi yagiye kuva umunsi yizera Yesu uko tuza turamwisa ariko tutayiri ndacyari hano se hayaye uko murabona no mubiri ariko gapapa nyirizi ndiri yakwa Yesu Kwada kusoma takiza abantu bose bumve nukuvuga ngo rero
we are here today.
tugiye kuririmba tutiziganya.
We are going to sing without taking ourselves or holding ourselves. We have friends from Rwanda who have come for one purpose, so that we can show the family of Kabuye. There is something we knew about Kabuye. Those from Nairobi, from Rwanda, and those from different districts of Uganda. It is only to show the family of late Kabuye that there is a fruit of love he left in us. This compound is large. You should go up to the gate while singing it. Let's tell this soul ground that there is a general has been shifted to heaven. When I checked about Kabuye, Kabuye is like President Magufuli. It's like Thomas Sankara. The way they cried for Moses in Israel. We have never seen Moses live. We only know him about faith. The one we know about physically is Kabuye, whom we share everything. We are going to sing again. We are going to chase the death here. Because Jesus came to finish the power of death. Amen.